What's up, y'all? Dr. Nate here. The question I get all the time is how long is it going to take for this to get better? And that is a loaded question. So if you've had lower back pain, which is from either just like if your symptoms are centralized lower back pain, or it's going down the leg to the knee, and it's been happening for less than 6 weeks, it's pretty common that your pain will improve within 2 to 6 weeks, somewhere in that time frame, sometimes a little bit longer. Now, if you've had pain for 6 months and you're still asking that question, then this is a different thing. Do you need a surgical procedure? Have you gone through a really good physical therapist? If you've been dealing with pain for decades and you're asking when is it going to get better, then that's a whole nother conversation altogether. More surgeries is probably not the solution for you at that point. If you're the one listening and that's you, and this is going to be a multi-year process that's likely going to involve a lifestyle change. And if you can't accept that side of it, it's going to be impossible to move forward. The people who make the most progress are willing to make lifestyle changes. They're willing to consistently exercise, even if it's just upper body to start with, because the lower body hurts too much. They're willing to take a deep dive into how they feel and think about themselves. They're willing to take the deep dive and make the hard personal changes that need to take place to get back to the meaningful activities that they love. And sometimes that means you work with a physical therapist, a mental health specialist, an occupational therapist, whoever, but having people in your court to help you and encourage you when things get really hard. So that is my advice and my video for today. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I also have a free Facebook group that you should definitely join. There's always some good conversations happening in there. Link is in the description below. Also, I just want to encourage you to focus on your mindset. You're probably going to hear that from me a million times. You're going to be asking what the heck that is. It's going to be coming up in future videos, and I'll give you some practical steps to do that. As always, stay strong, stay resilient, and I'll see you next time.